If you are wondering if you can edit slow motion videos on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then the answer is yes, and in order to do so we need to open the Photos app where we can find our slow motion video that we have recorded, and then you can open the video. So of course we can now tap on the preview in order to open this information, this timeline and so on and so forth, and above the timeline we have these dots that we can see over here, and the section that is indicated as the slow motion. So we can extend the slow motion effect, I suppose. Let's see if we can make it. There we go. So we can grab by these triangles in order to extend or shorten the slow motion effect. So now in this case, if I play the video, it will be using the slow motion effect pretty much immediately, but of course I can adjust it so that only this small part can be played in slow motion as well. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.